Hey there, folks. Today we're talking about a Arnica Salve recipe, great for treating bruises. This easy-to-make Arnica Salve helps reduce pain and swelling from bruises. It's also great for soothing arthritis pain, sore muscles, and minor sprains. Avoid using it on broken skin. This recipe makes 20 to 30 doses. What you'll need is a half cup of olive oil or sunflower oil, 2 tablespoons of crushed dried arnica or 4 tablespoons of fresh arnica, and 2 tablespoons of finely grated beeswax. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Preheat the oven. Set your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Infuse the oil. In an oven-safe glass or ceramic bowl, mix the oil and arnica. Place the bowl in the oven and let it heat for 3 to 4 hours. Step 3. Cool and strain. Remove the bowl from the oven and let the mixture cool slightly. Strain the oil into a clean bowl, squeezing out as much oil as you can from the arnica. Discard the leftover arnica. Step 4. Combine with beeswax. Add the strained oil and beeswax to a small pan. Heat gently until the beeswax melts completely. Stir well. Step 5. Pour and store. Pour the mixture into a 4-ounce container. Let it cool, then secure the lid and label the jar. Store in a cool, dry place and use as needed. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.